Hi teachers, today we will be going over the SURE model. You can use this model for when you are teaching a lesson with technology and media. What is the SURE model? It is a step-by-step process used by teachers to create lessons that effectively integrate the use of technology and media to improve student learning. First, you will analyze your learners. A stands for analyze. What are your students' general characteristics? What are their specific entry competencies? What are their learning differences and needs? The S stands for state standards and objectives. What new capability should learners possess at the completion of instruction? In this case, a better understanding of copyright rules. Next, specify the audience, the behavior to be demonstrated, the conditions under which the behavior will be observed, and the degree to which the new knowledge or skill must be mastered. Remember, learning objectives are not intended to limit what students learn, but are intended to provide a minimum level of expected achievement. Learning takes different forms with different students. The next S stands for select strategies and resources. Select, modify, and design instructional strategies and resources. Describe the instructional strategies and resources that are essential to the lesson. Provide rationale for each selection and any needed modifications. Use selection rubrics to evaluate the resources that best help students meet the intended outcomes. The U stands for utilize resources. Plan your role as a teacher for utilizing resources intended to help students achieve the learning objectives. And then we have the P's. Preview the resources, prepare the resources, prepare the environment, prepare the learners, provide the learning experience. The R stands for require learner participation. Instruction should require learners' active mental engagement. Engage students in active learning that involves practice with the new knowledge or skills, use of technology and media, and provision of performance feedback. Feedback can come from teacher, digital devices, other students, or self-evaluation. The E stands for evaluate and revise. Use traditional and authentic assessments to evaluate its impact on student learning. Examine the entire instructional process and the impact of using technology and media. And then revise the lesson plan to address areas of concern between the objectives and student outcomes. Everything I talked about was taken from our textbook, Instructional Technology and Media for Learning. Thank you very much.